Welcome. In this video I will show you how to turn off your HP ELITEBOOK 846. So in order to turn off your laptop, you're gonna have to open the start menu, then go to power options and select shutdown. Alternatively, for example, when you cannot access this menu, start menu or power options, maybe your device is frozen or something else is happening, you can hold down the power button until your device shuts down, and you will know when your device is turned off by looking at the power indicator on your power button. Once the power indicator turns off, that means that your device is switched off. So that's how you turn off your laptop. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.